Welcome back, Solid Rock family. You're now tuning in to Solid Rock Entertainment with your host on the Central Coast, Sam G. Yeah. Samuel Gardner. We now look no partner. Unless it's the chair. Anyway, please believe me, Hopeton Lewis is trying to tell you to please take it easy. Sure. Big tune.
Take your time, take your time, take your time. No need to hurry. Take it easy, take it easy, take it easy. No need to hurry. No slipping, no sliding, no bumping, no boring. I want to ride into town. If you fall from the race, it's no disgrace. Just pick yourself from off the ground. Take your time, take your time, take your time. No need to hurry. No, no, no. Take it easy, take it easy, take it easy, take it easy. No need to hurry. For the road is rough, and don't you ever get stuck. Take your time, take it easy, take your time. No need to hurry. Oh. Take it easy, take it easy, take it easy. No need to hurry. Take your time, take your time, take your time. No need to worry. No slipping, no sliding, no bumping, no boring. I want to ride into town. If you fall from the race, it's no disgrace. Just pick yourself from off the ground. And take your time, take your time, take your time. No need to worry. No, no, no. Take it easy, take it easy, take it easy, take it easy. No need to worry. Oh, oh. Take your time now, take your time, take your time, take your time. No need to worry. For the road.
That was a massive tune by Hopeton Lewis. A monstrous hit. Monstrous hit by Hopeton Lewis. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Telling you to take it easy. No need to worry. No slipping, no sliding, or bumping, or boring, or war. We're riding to town. If you fall from the race, it's no disgrace. Just pick yourself from off the ground. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. No need to hurry. Yeah, no need to hurry. No, just easy. Take it easy. You know, especially these days, it's just like everybody just rushing to go somewhere. And, you know, I mean, take it easy, man. You will reach. You better you take your time and reach. And then instead of rushing, and you might fall from the race, and then you have to pick up the pace. So, yeah, that was Hopeton Lewis with his monstrous hit. Monstrous hit. If Hopeton is not known for any other song, trust me, he's known for this one. Okay? So that was Take It Easy. Please believe me. Yeah? And we're going to keep the ball rolling to prevent you from scrolling. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for the vibe. Hit the notification bell if you'd like to hear when I yell. And also, tune in to 104.5 FM. We'll talk about that. Anyway, keep it locked to Solid Rock Entertainment, y'all. Take it easy. Take it easy.